Where are they? The ghost eyes. Be clever, miss. Even if you win, she'll never let you go. You're wrong, Coraline J. Baby, swatting wood.
Welcome back to another Trendy Halloween video. My name is Talia for those of you who may be new here, and for the month of October I'm going to be posting a bunch of fall and Halloween content on my YouTube channel. So if you're new today, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you would like to see more from my Trendy Halloween series. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing a little Halloween lookbook with you all. And it's kind of funny because 11 months out of 12 months of the year, I'm 99% girly, but once October rolls around, I don't know, I get in my feels and I like the dark, edgy, spooky kind of look. So hence the makeup and all. And I love Halloween themed clothing, so I'm going to be sharing with you all some of my favorite pieces. So I hope you all enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started.
Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a bitchy, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special time. Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king. Now this is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. That's our job,
But we're not mean.
in our town of Halloween.
In this town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat, tell the neighbors gonna die of fright. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween.
Alrighty pumpkins, and that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite outfit was. I would love to hear from you guys. And again, if you are new to my channel today and would like to see more Halloween content from me, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next Trendy Halloween video. Bye!